We're back. I have this side grinded down as much as I can. I got it all primered. Oh God. Oh. I still got Welcome back, guys and gals, to another beautiful episode of Easy E's Rebuilds, where today I am still working on the 2007 Chevy Equinox that I picked up from Copart a couple of weeks ago. And if you watched my last videos, you were seeing that I have took off the whole front end, drilled out all the spot welds, cut out the broken pieces, put the new header panel in, put the front end back on for fitment, and now I have to take the whole front end back off again so I can begin welding with my ProStar by Prax Air welder that I picked up a couple weeks ago. So, with all that said, please like, comment, share, subscribe if you haven't already. But most of all, please leave a comment in the comment section below. Nobody has been leaving me any comments. Let me know how I'm doing. Say hello, say hi. I don't care. Just please leave me a comment. And I do have merch at teespring.com. It's a link to in the description section below. And I have Cash App where I'll be taking donations of 50 cents, $1, $2. So if you would, please help support this channel so I can do bigger and better things. And with all that said, let's get to work. Maybe I should say those for later. 10 mils on the top. Grab these purple ones first. Which are 7 mils. Grab these two on the side first. Let me see that. Go. Got a bolt in it. Headlights out. Get the bumper back off. Oh, and I gotta get the fenders off too. So these fenders. Nothing is plugged up, as you can see. I think I'm gonna need a bigger garage. Okay, let's get these fenders off. Only got like 3 screws in each. So yeah, see, I got everything back off again. Got my welding blanket up here. And give me some. Clamp this side down because it's a big gap. Hammer. Get that straight. Here I'm straight. They're doing a pretty good job, but let me get all this welded in. So we're gonna do a time lapse of me welding. Let's get started. Welcome back, guys and gals. I just want y'all to be aware, I haven't welded in like 12 years. So I got a weld right there. I started to clean it up. Got a weld right there. I gotta clean up my welds. Some places I re-weld it. I'm getting used to this welder. As I go, it's getting better. But like I said, I haven't welded in 12 years. I still gotta come over here and hit up all these welds. Got some up in here. And some right back in here. So, just bear with me, and we'll do another time lapse.
Oh, you turned it off without with that?
I just turned it on, Rich. Well, welcome back. I got all the wheels welded up. Now I just gotta grind them down and prime them. But my good old neighbor Rich came to join us. There he is over there. What you gotta say, Rich?
Yeah. What kind of disc are you gonna use to grind it? You got one with the flappers?
No, but I don't have no flapping wheel.
Those work better because it don't heat up as much. You know? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I just got regular, my cutoff grinder.
Oh.
Yeah, that's all I got. I can't find my flapping wheel.
Those work, hey, they work way better, I'll tell you.
But
yeah, it doesn't heat it up as much. You know?
Right.
Yeah, that's gonna cut the shit out of that.
I'm being careful.
Well, at least you got it done.
But neighbor Rich came over. I'll be taking a little break because my battery packs are dead in my Renee tools. So let me get those charged up and get cleaning up these welds, and I'll be right back. We're back. I have this side grinded down as much as I can. I got it all primered.
Oh God, no.
I still gotta do this side. My battery packs and my Renee were dead. I still gotta grind all these welds down. But it ain't as many on this side as it is on the other side. And see, Rich is still here. He ain't doing nothing, just watching. But let's get to it. There's nothing to it but to do it. I gotta finish this. Throw some black paint on it. I'm gonna paint the header panel black to match the hood. Hopefully I got enough enamel black paint to get this at black, and all this black that's gonna remain this color. And also got enough. I ordered the paint for this car for the PDR parts, like the fender that's all rusted. Try to get all that done, but we'll see when we get there. But let's get back started on grinding the rest of these welds. Well, there we have it. We have all the spot welds. Grind it down. And that'll be the... I guess I'll throw some paint on this real quick. I don't know.
Like that.
Just some aerosol paint.
You got it, right?
Yeah, I got the aerosol paint. A little bit, but
It ain't gonna take much to paint it black, right?
nope.
I thought you were painting that black.
I am.
Oh.
I said
Well,
it
it
ain't
ain't
gonna
gonna
take
take
much.
much because,
Yeah.
you know, black, 2 coats, you're done.
Yeah, but I'll catch y'all in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and please leave a comment in the comment section below. And you can pick up merch from Easy's Rebuilds at teespring.com, located in the description area below. And if you wish to support this channel more, I'm taking donations at Cash App. So you can go to Cash App, click on my link for the Cash App in the description below, and every little penny helps, and every little penny counts. So with all this said, stay tuned and stay blessed. Peace.
You're back again.
All I know now.